A lot of people don't know. Do they have negative additives? Are they organic? Are they third-party certified to prove all these things? Those are a lot of questions people don't know to ask, and those are a lot of questions that people don't have answers for. And that's one of the main reasons why I started this brand. There was no cutting corners with creating this. I wanted a brand that went that extra step, that extra mile to make sure that we are all natural, to make sure that we have third-party certifications. Just be transparent, build that trust and credibility with the people who are looking for a supplement. Get away from everything that's going to hurt you or harm your customers, and put the right ingredients. Take that extra step, spend that extra dollar to put the right ingredients in your product. I don't think that's hard, and that's kind of what was missing in the industry. I think people are changing now, and I think society's changing in general towards the health and fitness and being more aware. But I love helping other people achieve their goals. How can I do that? And that was starting a health and fitness brand to help others. But they have to start looking inside themselves.